Hello dear royals, welcome back to my channel. This is Amy with NCKs, and today as always we have a very interesting tutorial for you. Okay, look at this goodness. Look at this, guys. Look at, when I shake this up, look at that rich color. This is some Ayurvedic goodness. We have fenugreek, rosemary. Have you ever had aloe vera oil? Oh my god, I'm gonna show you in a minute how to make this. Okay, now if you are returning, welcome back. So good to have you back. And if you're new on this channel, so good to have you. Welcome to the family. If you're interested in growing a healthy, beautiful hair, you're in the right place. Please subscribe, turn on my post notification, okay, so that you get notified when I post a new video. Share, like, comment, okay. All right, my name is Amen with MCKs. Let's get into the kitchen and make this goodness. We need our hair to be strengthened, to grow, to be boosted, to be healthy, to be loved. Let's go. And then you'll die. Welcome back to my kitchen. So good to have you here. It's been a minute. Now these are the ingredients that we'll be using: alma powder, orange peel, aloe vera, we have fenugreek, we have chebe. So what I'm doing right now is just cutting the aloe vera leaf in tiny pieces. That's all I'm doing. We all know that aloe vera is super rich with amino acids. And look at, I really love that we're using the skin because that's where all of those amino acid is packed, and the vitamins. And that's just me taking off my orange. I'm using one orange to get the peel. And I'm just going to cut it in little pieces so I can use this. Okay. We're not going to be using the orange. The actual orange, you can consume that in your body and get all of the vitamin C in you. So what I did, I'm using a very low heat. I started up by adding my extra virgin olive oil, okay, and then my aloe vera. The reason why I chose to put my aloe vera first is because it contains, aloe vera contains over 90% water, so you want some of that water to boil down a little bit and dry up a little bit. And then I went in with my chebe powder. We all know chebe powder keeps the hair moisturized and lubricated, preventing any breakage. Of course, it's the world's best kept secret for length retention, okay, and it contains the natural and non-toxic elements, okay. So, and we also added alma powder, we added fenugreek. These are high in protein. It's going to strengthen the hair. So all I'm doing is stirring it so that it doesn't burn. Whenever I make, if you have watched my previous videos, I'm very generous with whatever I'm using because I like my end product to be very potent. And that's me with rosemary. Rosemary, we all know, is a long time hair growth secret. Helps with itchy scalp, and of course aloe vera helps with all of that too. So I'm just gonna have to allow it to steam a bit. I turned off the heat, okay, and I still don't trust the aloe vera. I wanted all of the water gone, so what I did, I covered it up and allowed the heat to do its thing. All of that water is gone. There is zero water in the end product, and that's me going in with a double cheesecloth trying to strain it. And I'm gonna add about 5 drops of lemon essential oil, and also 5 drops of tea tree essential oil. We all know the calming effect of tea tree. All right, warning. This doesn't smell good. This whole concoction or whatever. It doesn't smell so good to me. Chebe already has a strong smell. Fenugreek already has a maple syrup smell. So all of those things together, it has a weird, strong smell. So you might want to go in with a scented essential oil. Okay, because tea tree, those ones might not take out that strong smell. So I kept it for about 4 days, max minimum of 48 hours. Please do not use it. I mean, you can use it right away, but you want to keep it in a closed jar, very tight jar, for at least 48 hours before using. So I kept mine for that long, and I'm just, pouring it or dispensing it into a bottle that will be easy to use. Because I'm going to be using this as a pre-poo. This is so rich. Aloe vera oil, Chebe, fenugreek, all in one. Oh my God, your hair will never know what breakage is anymore. So yeah, that's the bottle that I'm using. It will be easy for me to dispense, for me to, use it on the hair. And I'm just shaking it. That's it. And now this is my first model, Snow, my little baby. Okay, so I've not had time for this hair. There's just been a lot going on. So we haven't done nothing to the hair. I've left this hair for over a month. Look, maybe 6 weeks. Yeah, we just couldn't. We were dealing with a death in the family, so nothing mattered at that time. Now that I gathered the strength, I had to go in with this oil for pre-poo. The reason I did this, if I did not pre-poo, this hair will break, and all of that length that she has gained, her hair is all the way to waist length, it would have broken. But the strength in this hair, it's unbelievable, I tell you. It might look like it's a lot of ingredient, but it's totally worth it, especially with the power of Chebe and fenugreek, aloe vera combined together. I tell you. So this is what I did. As you can see me applying a generous amount, I'm just going to make sure that before I even take the hair down, that's where the problem is. If you leave your hair for too long, you mess up your regimen, okay, your wash regimen. You want to be extra careful so you don't lose all that length. And I'm just going in and making sure I'm massaging the hair, making sure everything, it gets, the hair absorbs the oil. And the hair is drinking this oil real good. I'm glad. I'm happy. Yeah. And that's me just going in with a Tresemme conditioner. Please use whatever conditioner that you have. And the reason I'm doing this, I want a slip in the hair, an extra slip before I take down the it's a braids. Before I take down the braids. And all I'm doing is trying to reduce breakage. Remember, our hair will shed naturally. So for that long that this hair has been kept in braids, definitely you will have some shedding, but you don't want to have anything that is not normal. Okay. And surprisingly, it was just a little bit that came out. Like, girl, she grew more hair. Her hair got longer at the end of the day. So all that hair that she grew within that 6 weeks, and once in a while, I still massage her scalp with forest growth oil, okay, which stimulates growth and allows you to double your own genetic growth pace. It did pay off. And the real game is the length retention. So this is just me showing you how I'm able to retain length even when things happen in your life and you can take care of your hair. So that's one section. And yeah, I'm just going in with additional conditioner to make sure that the hair's got enough sleep. Okay, there's something you need to know. Oh my God. So this aloe vera and fenugreek oil, along with what's it called, along with conditioner, made her hair so soft. At a point it felt like I was using relaxer. Just a combination of those two, the hair became so soft, at the same time very strengthened. And this is me going in again with the oil. So this is not just for her. I did the exact thing for my second daughter, for my first daughter. Her hair too has been kept this long because their last wash day was the same day. Okay. And I did the same thing. And the other girl, my other daughter, her hair is all the way to tailbone. She also added more length. Okay, we didn't lose. And to my hair too. I did the same thing because I've kept my hair even longer. Yeah, look at that. And I'm just finger detangling. I will not go in with no comb at this point. This is me trying to help us save. So this is the when I finish with all of the sections with the oil and the conditioner. I Why do I forget the word conditioner? Okay. Conditioner. Yeah, look at that. At first, that part looked like it was all gone, but no, no, no. Final result, I washed the hair off camera, I rinsed it off, I deep conditioned, and this is just a final result. And yay! Ta-da! I learned how to twist without using rubber bands. I'm gonna probably drop a video soon. Eh, eh, eh. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're gonna be making some of this richness in all form. Let me know if you tried it. Remember, this is a pre-poo, and if your button is still red, no, it's not red. Please click on the subscribe button, subscribe, and turn on the post notification so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for sharing, for liking, for commenting. As usual, see you in my next video. Bye.